Welcome all of you to the session on how to make money in trading. Today in the session, you will learn how to make money in trading in a matter of just 1 to 3 easy steps, and you will also learn how to master futures and options trading in just 7 minutes. And having said that, I also request all of you to make sure that you forget everything about trading. Look at the session as a beginner. The more you look at the session as a beginner, the faster you achieve the end results. And when I'm talking about end results, there is only one end result that we are all working towards here, and that is to make money, isn't it? In order to make money in trading, there are only two things that one can do, and that is buying and selling. But then there are people who have spent years of their life trying to do research and analysis, trying to understand this one little secret, that is the right entry and right exit. Of course, today, if you want to succeed in trading, the one and only thing that you have to learn here is the right entry and right exit. But these are the people who have been doing research for years together, and they are still doing research. So you people are here today to decide whether you want to spend your life doing research or whether you want to spend your life earning money. If you have decided to spend your life earning money, then you are at the right place, because from here on, you don't have to worry about the right entry and right exit, because dynamic superpower traders are introducing a revolutionary invention. We call it the dynamic live. It is the first ever stock market intelligence of the world, called the Domantic method. Now, what is so very intelligent about this? The intelligence here is that this dynamic live automatically identifies the right entry and right exit for you, so that today you don't have to waste your time doing research and analysis. But then you know that market conditions keep changing, and in these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, there are some very unique intelligence at work in this dynamic live. Which are they? Let's have a look. Now, these are all some of the major intelligence. Like we have this wait and act intelligence. Now, whenever you know that right entry and right exit is very important. I do agree, but then at the same time, when not to enter, when not to exit is also equally very important. And today, this wait and act intelligence will automatically identify which are the places where you are not supposed to enter or exit. Similarly, we have the zigzag cautions here. Now, when the price keeps moving up and down, all the temporary price reversals are identified by these zigzag caution. So, if you come across a zigzag symbol right on top or right at the bottom, it means you can exit your trades very early with maximum profits, because you know that the price is about to reverse. And then we have the sideways caution intelligence here. Now, you know that price always does not move in an uptrend or in a downtrend. It also moves in sideways. There is one phase where majority of traders incur a series of minus trades just because they don't know that it is in sideways, and they don't know which direction the price is about to move. But then today, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform in the whole world which can automatically identify the sideways movement for you. And not only that, it can identify sideways movement before it starts. And then at last we have the dynamic system cautions and DMBOTS. Now, whenever there is a major movement in the market, before any major movement, right on top or right at the bottom, these dynamic system caution symbols will appear, telling you that the price is about to reverse, so that you will be able to exit your trades very early with maximum profits. Not only that, you can also take the opposite trade very early in order to capture the big movements. So these are all the benefits of these intelligence. But then today, let's have a look at them at work in this dynamic live in the real-time market, and see how you can benefit from it. So here is dynamic live. In this dynamic live, as you can see here, there is this action information. Now, whenever the price is increasing and if it is a good point to buy, then in this action information, very clearly it will be written as buy long, act now. It means buy signal has come, take a long position, act now, buy it immediately. But many times when the price is increasing and if the dynamic live feels that this is a trap, the price may not move up, there is a manipulation happening here, then it will be written as buy signal, wait and buy. It means buy signal has come, but please wait, don't buy this. Similarly, when the price is decreasing and if it feels that this is a trap, then here it will be very clearly written as sell signal, wait and sell. So anyone who reads it, now once you read it, you will very clearly understand whether you are supposed to do this trade or not to do this trade. And then we have this reason here. In the reason, as of now, you can see it is written as buy signal, but many times here it will be written as sideways nearing sign. It means sideways is nearing, be prepared, anytime it can start. So it is preparing you in advance. Later the information will change to sideways start sign. So when it says sideways start sign, it means sideways has started. So whatever trade that you have taken, it is better you exit it fast with minimum profits. Or the other best thing that you can do is you can stop trading the script, go trade some other script which is not in sideways. And later, once it tells you sideways end sign, then you can get back and start trading the same old script. And then we have these dynamic system cautions here. You can see here right at the bottom, right at the top. These dynamic system caution symbols will appear, telling you that the price is about to reverse. So the major movements are identified before it happens. But then today you don't have to worry, because your job is not to follow all these intelligence here. Your job is to only follow this Daumantic method level 2. And in this Daumantic method, you are supposed to check only the action information. Because whenever the price is increasing and if it is a good call option now, or whenever there is a clear selling opportunity, then it will be written as buy put option. When it comes to trading in options, Dynamic Live is a one and only platform which can automatically tell you how to trade in options, when to trade in options, and what to trade in options. So today you don't have to waste your time reading books, learning what is options and lot many other things. Straight away you can start trading and start making money. And once it tells you to buy a call option or a put option, later it itself will tell you how long to hold it. And at some point it will be written as exit call option now or exit put option now. That is when you can go ahead and exit your trade. But whenever it tells you to buy a call option or a put option, there's one more important thing that you have to learn to do, and that is how to select the right strike price. Now, you don't have to worry today, because even the right strike price are automatically selected by this Dynamic Live. So whenever it tells you to buy a call option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing upward, pick one number out of these three, that is your right strike price. Similarly, whenever it tells you to buy put option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing downward, pick one number out of these three, that is your right strike price. So having picked this right strike price, now your job is to just go ahead and do the trade. But then when I'm saying all these things, there are some of you watching this session, you may be thinking, boss, I'm a beginner. I don't know what is futures, what is options. Will I be able to trade? How many days will it take for me to learn all these things? Will I be able to make profits? Lot many questions must be running in your mind. But as I promised you in the beginning of the session, today you're going to master futures and options trading in a matter of just 7 minutes. Now how to do that, let me show you. Now all that you're supposed to do is just read what's written in the action. As of now, it is written as a stay tuned for next trade. So just wait there. But let us assume that now it is written as buy call option now. So your job is to just read it. But then before you read it, you must know which script you are trading. So there's Nifty. So you have to read it as Nifty buy call option now. And when it comes to trading in options, as I told you, you must select the right strike price. So pick one number. So let us say you selected 10,300 strike price. So read it as a Nifty buy call option now 10,300 strike price. Will you be able to do this? If you can do this, now what you can do is you can pick up your phone right now, make a call to your stockbroker, and you can ask him over the phone, if I tell you Nifty buy call option now 10,300 strike price, will I be able to trade in options? Yes or no? You ask him. And when you ask him, you'll be surprised to listen to his answer, because his answer will be a big yes, because they don't care whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. The only thing that they care here is, have you given them the complete information or not? If you have given them the complete information, then they will simply place the order and tell you what price it has been bought. Now, for you to make a phone call and convey this information, now how much time is it going to take? It is a matter of 20-30 seconds, isn't it? 30 seconds, you make a call, tell them Nifty buy call option now 10,300 strike price. They will simply place the order and tell you what price it has been bought, isn't it? Now after that, just cut the call, and in the action it will be written as hold call option. So simply hold on to it. At some point here in the action, it will be written as exit call option now. So when it is written as exit call option now, make a call once again, tell them Nifty exit call option now. By now they already know which call option you have bought, so they will simply exit and tell you what price it has been exited. So another 30 seconds, 30 seconds for an entry, 30 seconds for an exit. And you do the 7 times in a row, it means you have mastered options trading. Now, how will you know that you have mastered options trading? When the public calls you that you are a master, when your stockbroker, when I call you that you are a master, then of course you are a master. But why will we people call you that you are a master? It is because when you do this 7 times in a row, and at the end of 7th time and your account balance is in profit, then anyone and everyone will call you that you are a master of options trading. So the truth here is, gentlemen, it doesn't matter how much knowledge you have, how many years of experience you have, how many books you have read. The one and only thing that matters here is, have you made money or not? If you have made money, you are a master. If you have not made money, you are not a master. Similarly, if you want to master futures trading, in the action, if it is written as buy long act now, make a phone call, tell them Nifty futures buy long act now. Similarly, when it is written as sell short act now, one more phone call, tell them Nifty futures sell short act now. And you do this 7 times in a row, it means you have mastered futures trading as well. Isn't it? This is the truth. If you want, you can go check it with any stockbroker or experienced trader, because when it comes to practical trading, this is what you're going to do. And if this is what you're going to do, then this is what you're supposed to learn. If you're trying to learn anything more than this today, then I think you're trying to waste your time. So if you people have understood this reality today, it means you've already mastered options trading, futures trading today. So don't waste your time anymore. Get started, start trading, and start making money. This is how easy it is. But then when I'm saying this, some of you may be thinking, do we have to watch it the whole day? No, you don't have to watch it the whole day. Once every 30 minutes, if you can check this action information, that is more than enough. And above that, there is this preparation which will prepare you in advance. So now it is telling us, get ready to buy put option. So it is asking us to be prepared to buy a put option. So be prepared. Once it tells you in the action, buy put option now, that is when you can go ahead and do the trade. Got it? So this is how easy it is. But today, for this action information to give you a signal, either an entry signal or an exit signal, there are some multiple signals at work here. Now, which are they? Let's have a look. Now, these are all the multiple signals at work. Like we have the intraday 3-speed signal, the long signal edge point, the zigzag breakouts and breakdowns. Similarly, for an exit, there is this intraday 3-speed signal, the major zigzag, the long signal edge points, and so on. Now you may be wondering why there are so many signals. Why can't there be a simple buy or sell signal? It is because, as I told you in the beginning of the session, market conditions keep changing, and these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, so many multiple signals are required. But then today you don't have to worry, because your job is not to follow all these multiple signals. Your job is to just follow this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. As I promised you in the beginning of the session, today you will learn how to make money in trading by following this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Now, what are these 1, 2, 3 steps? Let's have a look. First step, just add your favorite stock or index in dynamic live. Second, check what the Daumantic method action information is telling you to do. Whatever it tells you to do, based on that, simply place orders and start making money. This is how easy it is today for you to start trading in futures and options, gentlemen. This is the reason we call this as a revolutionary invention. So today, let's have a look at this 1, 2, 3 easy steps in live real-time market, and let us try to understand how easy it is. For that, I request any of you to suggest me your favorite stock or index, so that we can see what this dynamic live is telling us to do. First step, for you to add your favorite stock or index, you just have to click on this favorites here. So once you click on this favorites, what will happen? Let's see. A drop down will appear so that you can select your favorite stock. So let us select Tata Motors. Now, once I've selected Tata Motors, my job is to come look at this action information. You can see here very clearly it is written as stay tuned for the next trade. So no trade as of now. Just hold on. Wait until it tells you to buy a call option or a put option. That is when you can go ahead and do the trade. Now let us check what's happening in Asian Paints. Now here is Asian Paints. In this Asian Paints, you can see here it is still telling us to hold call option somewhere at this point in time. Probably it had told us to buy a call option. Later the price moved up and then it has come down. But in spite of the price coming down, it is still telling you to hold the call option. So nothing to worry, just hold on. Wait until it tells you to exit call option. Then you can think about an exit. Let's check what's happening in Bank Nifty. Now this is a case of Bank Nifty here. You can see even in Bank Nifty, it says stay tuned for next trade, no trading opportunity. As of now, the whole day in both the Nifty and Bank Nifty, there has been no trade, so we are waiting for it. Let us check Eicher Motors. Now this is Eicher Motors. You can see here it is telling us to hold put option. This is the point where it has told us to buy a put option. We saw it in the previous session, and then after that the price has tried to move up, but in spite of the price moving up, it is still telling us to hold a put option. And later, once it tells you to exit put option, that is when you can go ahead and exit the trade. Until then, you can simply hold on to the trade. So this is how easy it is. Now all that you have to do is just select your favorite script and come and check what the action information is telling you to do. And if it tells you to buy a call option or buy a put option, that is when you can go ahead and do the trade. Remember, your job is to just place the trade. Okay. So these are all the things. So today when you have access to these intelligence here, now there are some very unique benefits as a trader that you can draw from this. Now what are these benefits? Let's have a look. Now these are all some of the major benefits. That is, from here on, you will not have any more confusion while taking an entry or an exit, because you know that it gives you the right entry and right exit with utmost clarity. You will be able to trade there, and then when not to enter, when not to exit, that is also automated. You don't have to worry. And then the best part is, like, when it comes to trading in options, even the right strike price is automatically selected, and there is this preparation where it prepares you in advance, and finally the action information will tell you what exactly you are supposed to do, right? If you can read what's written there, if you can just follow whatever it is written there, that is more than enough. Remember, dynamic life does all the hard work for you. Your job is to just place orders. Your job is 100% effortless. So today, if you want to start trading based on this, all that you have to do is just there's no need of in-depth training. Simple basic training is more than enough. It is a matter of 40 to 60 minutes of training that you have to go through to learn it and start trading and start making money. And as I told you today, any one of you can implement this, even if you are a beginner, experienced trader, working professional, housewife, retired person, any one of you can implement this. And remember, all that we want you to do here is just implement it mechanically. Just trade as it is told in the training, just go about it. As long as you do that, the end result is automated here. So when I say end result is automated, I mean to say that money making is automated, gentlemen. So today you don't have to worry about earning money, because money will automatically come to you provided you follow this mechanically as it is told. This is all that you are supposed to do. This is the reason we call this as a revolutionary invention. So these are all the benefits here. But then when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking now, what is the cost? What is the price of all this? Now let me tell you, there is no cost, there is no price that one can bear for something precious like this. There is only one thing that you people can do here today. That is the reason you have come here. That is to decide, are you ready to invest today to secure your tomorrow? Are you ready to invest today to secure your financial future? If you are ready to do that, then let me show you what is the investment that you are supposed to make. But then before I show you the investment, let me also tell you that you are not going to invest some big money. You're going to invest a very small fetch of the profits that you can earn from this dynamic live. But just by looking at this dynamic live in a video or in a session like this, you will not be able to understand its true benefit. But only when you touch it, when you feel it, when you open it, when you run it in the real-time market, when you do some trades, when you see the real profits in front of your eyes, that is the day you'll realize the true benefits of this dynamic live. That is the day you'll realize what you have been missing all these years when it comes to trading in stock market. So today, to make sure that all of you can first get your hands on it to understand its true benefits, to make sure that every trader can reap its benefits, for the first time ever in the last 12 years, the management has come up with a very big special offer, and that is, today you can get this dynamic live by investing just 8,000 rupees plus GST for 1 month. Remember, the special offer is valid only for the first month subscription, because the original price of this dynamic live is 4,39,000 rupees for 12 months, but today you are getting it at just 8,000 rupees for 1 month, so that you can touch it, feel it, run it in the real-time market, do some trades, see some profits. Now it is a matter of a trade or two for you to gain back this investment. And there have been many people who have been requesting us for trial. Now all your requests has been answered with the special offer here. But remember, the special offer is valid only for a limited period of time. Very soon the offer will go and the price will rise. Okay. So today, if any one of you is interested to jump into this revolution, start trading and start making money, then here is the link that I have texted in the chat. Just click on it, go through the link, and you can immediately subscribe. But then some of you may be thinking, what is next after the first month? Do we have to pay the complete 4,39,000? That is a question that you may be having. But let me tell you, you don't have to pay the complete amount, because there are many more other special offers coming your way. Which are they? Let's have a look. There is this presidential rights where you get the same 12 months plan. Instead of investing 4,39,000, today you can invest just 1,23,000, where you get dynamic life for one entire year. You also get dynamic system free for lifetime. Now, what is this dynamic system? Dynamic system is another intelligent platform which will give you the right entry and right exit automatically, and it will help you to do some amazing positional trades. The biggest benefit is it gives you the signals and information 1 day in advance. So those people who don't have time, you can simply follow this dynamic system by spending hardly 10 to 15 minutes of your leisure time every day. and you'll be able to earn some handsome profits year after year. So you're getting almost 71% off on this particular plan per month. And then we have the privilege rights where you get a 6 months plan also at 72,000. You get dynamic life for 6 months. You also get dynamic system free for 1 year. And then we have a 3 months plan at 42,000. You get dynamic life for 3 months. You also get dynamic system free for 3 months. And at last we have 1 month plan at 16,500. You get dynamic life for 1 month. You also get dynamic system free for 1 month. So these are all the 4 different plans available for you. You can opt for any one of these plans from the second month onwards. But for the first month, you get the special offer at just 8,000 rupees. The link is already there for you to subscribe. Just click on it to subscribe. Now, once you have subscribed, the technical team will send you a mail. They will take a remote access of your computer. They will install this dynamic live and dynamic system today itself onto your computer. And then you can also attend this online workshop today at 5 p.m. where you will learn things in a bit more detail so that you can start trading from tomorrow and start making money. Remember, it is a matter of just 40 to 60 minutes of training that you have to go through. So this is all about today's session, gentlemen. If you have any other questions or doubts, you can ask me now. Or if there is anyone who is interested to join this revolution, then the link is already there in the chat. Just click on it to subscribe. So in the meantime, Mr. Nitesh wants to check what's happening in Kotak Bank. Let us check Kotak Bank. Now this Kotak Bank, even in Kotak Bank, you can see here the action says stay tuned for next trade, no trade as of now. But then anyways, the preparation is telling you to get ready to buy call option. So be prepared. So wait until the action information confirms, only then you can go ahead and do the trade. And then Reliance. So this is about Reliance. Even in Reliance, stay tuned for next trade, no trade as of now. Just hold on. Wait until it gives you another best trading opportunity. All right, looks like there are no more questions or doubts. So, gentlemen, thank you all for joining today's session. Wish you all a happy trading and a very good afternoon. See you on the other side at 5 p.m. in the online workshop. Until then, good day to all of you and thank you for joining.